Alright, here's a beauty. 1929 Ford Model A. Rumbleseat Roadster. Probably one of the best selling Model A's recently. So any of the Roadsters with rumble seats have not stuck around here very long. So if you're interested in this, make sure you give us a call, shoot us an email. Now this particular car recently restored and just was finished. The gentleman brought it us to consign, sell for him. Paint on the car, very nice, and as you can see, chrome radiator surround, headlights, the bezels, horn, also in very nice shape. Also, you notice the dual side mounts, one of the more popular options people looking at Model A's to this day. And of course, an all steel car. This one has steel fenders, steel body, all steel car. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can check out the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Also down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. And of course, feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this. All right, 201 cubic inch. So 201 cubic inch. Water cooled. L head inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. Same that the Model A would have came with when it was new. And a 3-speed manual transmission. Check out this interior, just as nice as the exterior. Kind of a camel colored, nice fabric, kind of a tweed style fabric. Looks great. New carpeting, dash all painted, chrome looking good on the dash. And the top I left up because I wanted you to be able to see what condition it was in the video here also. Top also in very nice shape. Recently redone when the rest of the car was done. Rumble seat to match as far as the cloth interior to the cloth rumble seat. Finished throughout, carpeted also down there. Little black rubber nubs would be for the glass windshield when the top folds down. And again, you can check out the still pictures with the top folded down also. Apologize, the ladder in the background. We got a little construction hanging some things up around here, a little decor going up. Now remember, we do consider trades. We can assist you with the shipping of this vehicle in the continental United States. Did I say financing was available? Do consider trades. Financing available. And we can assist with the shipping. Riding on some newer Firestone era correct looking wheels. Should say tires. Wheels have been painted. Nice yellow, highlighting the black and green exterior color of this Model A. Of course, you have your luggage rack back here. Now we'll fold out. Be able to put a trunk on that. Very smooth running vehicle also. We'll hop up in here in a second and start it right up. But one last time for the still pictures before we start it. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Alright, let me slip in this and let's fire this up. Of course, on the passenger side, down below, right there, there is a valve. I did click it on before the video, so we have gas. Choke right there. Pull it out, you would be choking it. We're not going to. Sitting inside, this thing shouldn't have a problem starting at all. You will need to turn the key on though. So turn the key on. Starter, of course, is farther up on the floor. There we go. Starts easily. Here's the amp gauge works. The gas gauge up here. Alright, let me slip out. We're going to pop the hood on this so you can check out the engine bay. We'll slip around to the rear of it, see how it runs. Inline 4-cylinder. Again, 201 cubic inch. Water-cooled L-head. Inline 4. Now I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to open up one of these sides of the hood and check out the engine bay. Alright, so I picked this side, we got the carb and manifold over here. And look at how smooth that engine is. Very nice running, as you can see. Fuel line, everything clean, system's clean. Last time when these come in, need to be clean. This one ready to roll. With more of a recent restoration, yeah. Look at how smooth that runs. Alright, lower this hood. Latch is nice and true. Let's see how the latch is. Go ahead and latch it down. Nice Model A. 1929 Rumbleseat Roadster. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below the video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see the listing of this car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. If you got questions about the transportation, feel free to consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.